Hey everyone, this video is about how to earn money from loans. Loans can be a great source of passive income if you know how to use them correctly. Whether you're an investor or a borrower, there are several ways to earn money from loans. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a platform that connects borrowers with investors. As an investor, you can earn money by lending money to borrowers and earning interest on the loan. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to invest in loans with as little as $25. Tip 2. Real estate investing. Real estate investing is another way to earn money from loans. You can invest in real estate loans, such as mortgages or construction loans, and earn interest on the loan. You can also invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, which are companies that own and manage real estate properties. Tip 3. Business loans. You can also earn money by lending to small businesses. Business loans typically have a higher interest rate than personal loans, making them an attractive investment option. You can lend money to businesses through crowdfunding platforms like Fundable or through online lenders like Kabbage. Tip 4. Personal loans. If you're looking to borrow money, personal loans can be a great option. Personal loans are typically unsecured loans that don't require collateral. You can use a personal loan to start a business or make a large purchase. Just be sure to shop around and compare interest rates to ensure you're getting the best deal. Tip 5. Refinancing loans. Refinancing loans can also be a great way to save money on interest payments. If you have a high interest rate loan, you can refinance it with a lower interest rate loan and save money on interest payments over time. This can help you reduce your monthly payments and free up money for other investments. Conclusion. Earning money from loans can be a great source of passive income if you know how to use them correctly. Peer-to-peer lending, real estate investing, business loans, personal loans, and refinancing loans are just a few ways to earn money from loans. Be sure to do your research and choose the loan option that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.